Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to add custom location on Snapchat. Make sure to subscribe to Fix It for more tutorials. So the first step is to open up our Snapchat app over here. The very first thing I would do is press the camera icon to take a little photo. And then let's pretend you really need to add a custom location to this photo. You'll simply click on this bent piece of paper-like icon, and then you'll see the option to add a location at the top. So this will show up with some recommendations. However, if you only want to add a custom location, you could always just search and add a location just like this. And now it shows a suggest a place button, and then you can click on just that. And now you can type in all of this info. You can type in your name, and then you will have to fill in your address, and then you must choose a category, which can be anything. This can be a hotel, a shopping mall, or gym, or anything else, and once you submit it, Snapchat will review it and approve it, allowing you to add that custom location. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to Fix It. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.